This animal meows. This animal barks. This animal says moo. This animal says baa. Bells. A whistle. Guitars. A drum. The rocket is making a sound. The rocket is not yet making a sound. The guitar is not making a sound. The guitar is making a sound. The man is shouting. The woman is shouting. The man is whispering. The woman is whispering. The sound of a whisper is soft. The sound of a shout is loud. The boy is making a loud sound. The boy is not making a loud sound. He is ringing the bell. She is blowing the whistle. She is playing a guitar. He is playing a drum. When you whisper, you speak quietly. When you shout, you speak loudly. The little boy is working quietly. The little boy is playing loudly. This animal is sometimes noisy. It makes loud sounds. This animal is quiet. It makes soft sounds. This water is noisy. This water is quiet. This vehicle is loud. This vehicle is quiet. This instrument makes a high sound. This instrument makes a low sound. This person has a high voice. This person has a low voice. Some animals have high voices. Some animals have low voices.